So this is a video that I'm started to create. We have a snowstorm in Charleston, South Carolina. We cannot control Mother Nature. We don't have snow frequently in Charleston. Last time I remember it snowed was about 5 years ago. But we just have to, work through it. Be prepared, stay safe, be cautious, make good judgment decisions. And, it's really about survival. And take instructions from your local leaders, your elected officials, and just be safe. But Northerners, don't let this scare you relocating to Charleston, South Carolina. Bye.